I know. Let's go to Dubai and jump out of a perfectly good airplane. Who's coming with me? What's up, guys? Hey, I booked a ticket from Riyadh to Dubai for this weekend just to jump out of a perfectly good airplane. So it's either going to be one of my best decisions ever or one of my last. Let's go. Alright guys, so I'm here at Skydive Dubai. I'm a little nervous for two reasons. One, I'm getting ready to jump out of a good plane. And the last time I did anything this crazy was right here. And second, they have an extreme weight limit here, which is 220 pounds or 105 kilograms. So I've been fasting all week. Yesterday I weighed 221 pounds, so let's see. I might not be able to skydive and this whole thing might be not happening, but we'll see. All right. What's up, guys? Hey, I came all the way from Riyadh, Saudi Arabia just to go skydiving. I'm here all rigged up and I'm super stoked. Let's go.
All right.
I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly, I can fly. Crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight.
My man, Dan.
Yeah! We did it!
Stand up, my man, stand up. Tell me all about it.
Oh my God, the exit. I feel like the exit was just phenomenal.
Good stuff,
Super
huh?
tight, and the view was absolutely crazy. Beautiful morning with a little bit of fog layers and the buildings popping out. Great.
How was the free fall?
I mean, I was screaming the whole time.
Yes, you were.
It was so awesome.
Would you do it again?
I would absolutely do it again. As a matter of fact, I want to go do the AFF. So.
Awesome, man. Dan, thank you so much for jumping here at Skydive Dubai, the Palm. Big thanks to Tim for saving your life.
Thanks a lot.
See you next time.
Appreciate you, man. Well, all right, guys, I made it to live another day. Awesome time here at Skydive Dubai. This is such a professional crew. I came in, I signed the form, and within 30 minutes, I think at least 30 minutes, I was in the air with a professional instructor at 13,000 feet above the palms here in Dubai. what a rush. That video is going to be so good. I can't wait till you guys see it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate all the love and support. And once again, hey, live your life like every day's the last.